हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल लर्न टेक विद स्मृति। तो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है थ्रू एंड थ्रूज कीवर्ड। दैट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन थ्रू एंड थ्रूज कीवर्ड and how can use it both of them. So as a so theoretically we can say that in throw and throws, like first point is that comments is necessary. So first point is that throw keyword used for explicitly shown, so thrown exception. It These exception cannot be generated by system, but we want that if that happen, then this exception should be generated. Then we use throw keyword, and where throws keyword is used for a method signature, that we know that in that scenario can throws an exception. So additionally we declare throws then exception in our method signature for next point is that throw is used in block of code with try and catch, and throws in method signature. And next point is that is to measure differences in throw and throws keyword. Let's see the example how can we use. Firstly, use throw keyword. Then this is our public static void main method, and here if we declare a variable int a is equals to 18, then we using try and catch block, and there is a condition if is less than equals to 17, less than 18, that's source, then we can throw new exception, throw exception. This is our exception. So here new keyword is used for creating object of illegal exception class, and here we can print that exception. This exception should print here. So this is the throw keyword. Here we can see that if age is less than 18, then in system it does not generate any exception. But here if age variable is 18, then when we run, it does not give any errors. But when age is less than 18, then it gives errors. You can say that here output is generated, no, nothing print because nothing is here. It's only logic. If I have assign the value of age is 17, then it will generate an error. Let's see. So we can see that here exception is generated, legal exception. Age must be 18 plus. So this is throw keyword. This explicitly throws new exception. So let's see throws example. So because throws is used in method signature, so we need to create new method. Here we take two argument, throws, and then exception name that want to that can be generated, or either in general we also use exception, so that exception generated it automatically get returned. So here we try to result, finding result a divided by b, and printing result shout rest. So here if we create object for some time, we put the value 18, so it does not give any exception. Now need to create object of above class, and now need to call the function 10 0. And here we can see that 10, when 10 is divided by 0, then it will give exception. So let's run this program. Here we can say that hello, just because we cannot use try and catch block, execution breakup after getting exception, so we need to try either try or catch block here, either we can also use here. So in any of place we can use. So we simply need here so we can say that we see that here exception is generated. Arithmetic exception cannot be divided by 0. If here we pass instead of 10 we pass 5. Oh, sorry. So there is no exception generated and return result must be 2. So we can see that this 2 is returned. So this is all about throw and throws.